Hi, guys.
It's just woke me up.
So this is part 2
of our investigation. I went back to bed and Gage woke me up and he said, well, let's go investigate the strange noise. Which is what I was trying to tell you last video, so let's go, Gage.
Ooh.
We put it in the closet. Yo, did you guys hear that? Dude, that laughed though.
Bro, why is the TV on?
Yeah, what the heck? It's on zombies. What the heck? We turned it off last night.
Yeah.
Okay, come on. So we got it in the closet last night. Let's check.
I did not do that.
Yes, you did. There's nothing in there, so.
What the flip? Some just knocked it out of my hand.
Wait. Can I hold the camera first?
No. Let's go see if it's in the hallway. Bro, why are the lights on? Bro, it's got my back to the room. Well, we're gonna go back to bed, guys. So bye.
Yeah, we might make a Call of Duty video.